This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for April 18th, 2018. Corn market up a couple cents today. Beans down 4 in the front months, steady in the back months, so that meaning new crop right around that steady mark. Chicago wheat up 7 to 9, Minneapolis wheat up 3 to 5, and Kansas City up 7 to 8. A little bit of reversal for the corn and wheat, a little bit of break for beans, but nothing too much in the way. When you look to weather here, we saw snow across southern Minnesota, northern Iowa, pretty significant amounts once again, and I think that got the corn market at least riled up a little bit so we could see a little sustainable rally here. But we'll have to see tomorrow. We've got some key price counts right around this 394 area that offer some resistance, at least for now. If we can get above there, we kind of regroup on the bull side. If we struggle below there the rest of the week and don't close above 394, then possibly some reversal actions happening. So the technical is a little bit important. Weather-wise, I still think we're less than ideal, but looking a week and a half out, we're seeing much better weather ahead, and that potentially could allow a little more balanced approach to the corn market here in the near term. Still a market that we see pretty good support around this 379, 380 area off the July, with resistance at 402. If we see acceleration or any problems in planting, it could be as high as that 424, 428 area, but need a problem to really feed that bull. And right now we don't seem to have that yet. Bean market just stuck in a little bit of a rut here. To me, it looks like beans are tuckering out a little bit, but thought that for a little time here. We'll have to see what this bean market really wants to do, where the next problem is. We do anticipate more acres, so I do like selling here into this juncture. As a firm, we're sitting in that 30% area, and then have used some short-dated puts to get a little more marketed in the June and July seasonals that we look to sell into as a pre-hedge. The wheat market stuck in a rut. We'll have to see where the rains fall. I feel they pushed a little further east, and that's why you see the Chicago and Kansas City market stepping up a little bit today, but still need to watch those. We do have some rain in the 6 to 10, 8 to 14 as well that we'll need to balance. Feeder cattle steady up a buck, live cattle 37.5 to 92.5. The key there is going to be the cattle on feed report and cash trade later this week. We'll watch those with detail, but coming into some resistance areas ahead of that, looking for better weather to bring some summer grilling season. So look for a little more chopping cattle. Hog market up 80 to 2 bucks here today. Big move there. Keep in mind China over there sitting on the lowest prices they've seen in hogs in 8 years. So big inventory, still going to be a problem. We'd look for stiff resistance over the next $2 and really would encourage marketing as we press above 80 here on the summer months. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.